Hi, welcome back to Science Sisters. Today we are going to find out why ice melts. Let's get into it.
The information in this video is all from google.com.
You may notice I have ice cubes here, and they're frozen. Well, that's because I froze water in the freezer for a few hours, and they turned into these. But if I took them into the sun, well, it'd melt. See, there's water dripping from it. But why?
As you may know, the sun is super hot. I mean, way hotter than your oven. You may think the sun is right next to Earth, but it is actually 94.3 million miles away. The sun is so far away, and the sun is already melting my baby ice cube. Well, when I rub it on me, the ice still melts. That's because my body temperature is way hotter than the ice. Look how tiny my ice is just from the sun. That still doesn't answer our question. We have roads, buildings, homes. They don't melt. Why'd they pick ice?
Ice melts when heat energy causes the molecules to move faster, breaking the hydrogen bonds between molecules to form liquid water. In the melting process, the water molecules actually absorb energy. You might not know what a molecule is, but the definition of a molecule is two or more atoms joined or bonded tightly together. Here are some fun facts about molecules. Molecules can have different shapes. Some are long spirals, while others could be pyramid-shaped. Organic compounds are compounds that contain carbon. A perfect diamond is a single molecule made of carbon atoms. But we're going to try something to see if our ice can't melt. Just in our house. Here's what you'll need: an ice cooler or bucket, a towel, aluminum foil, and ice cubes. Well, you'll also need a room. You can either try this at school, at home, or any place indoors. Okay, I've got my cooler, so I'm just going to put these down for a second. We're going to wrap the cooler in a big towel so that it can cover our cooler. We don't need the bottom covered, but if you have a small cooler and a big towel, go ahead, you can wrap the bottom. It's not going to do any harm. I have a big towel extra, so I'm going to wrap some on the bottom, but you don't need it wrapped. There we go. Alright, next we're going to take some aluminum foil and our ice. So I'm going to use maybe 3 ice cubes. I'm going to wrap them in aluminum foil. Put them in our cooler. Wrap the cooler with the towel, and we're just gonna wait 2 hours to see if our ice has melted. Let me put this back in the fridge so that it doesn't melt out here. Look, some have already melted. check if our ice is melted or not. I really hope it's not melted.
Me too.
All right, let's see. Come on.
Oh. Oh no. Did it melt?
There is some water, but it's not melted.
Yeah, those
Our
are not
experiment
melted.
worked. Yes.
Sure.
Just kidding.
Now you know how ice melts. Remember how Titanic hit an iceberg?
When Titanic hit an iceberg, the iceberg was in the middle of the ocean. However, today, Earth is getting warmer, which means more icebergs are going away since icebergs form due to cold weather. Just like how we made our ice cubes today. We poured water in an ice tray and left them in the freezer. If we had left them out on the counter, they would have melted instead of frozen. Just like what's happening today. The sun is melting the icebergs instead of snow, forming them and keeping them frozen. This is how important icebergs are to life. Many animals, even narwhals and dolphins, penguins, and seals rely on icebergs to survive and take a break. The Earth getting warmer is called global warming. Due to global warming, more animals could be dying due to icebergs going away, because that's where many animals live.
Here are some ways to stop global warming. You can change a light. You can carpool. You can recycle more. You can plant a tree. And use colder water.